Hello, today I'm reviewing this Amazon Basic stainless steel electric kettle. It's 1.7 liters. Has a viewport here. See how full you have it. On off switches on the back here. And it has a little spring-loaded push button to open it up. There is a filter on the pour spout. That's removable for cleaning. It's not the easiest thing to remove, but it says to push down in the middle here to get it out. There you have it. Little filter here with a pretty fine mesh screen. And then you put it back in. Same way you took it out. You kind of push on the middle. Put those knobs back in. Definitely not the easiest thing to get in, but once you kind of get the hang of it, it goes in pretty easy. And there you have it for the kettle. Now the base. It's a simple lightweight base. Feels mostly like plastic. It has a plug with a ground, so it's a 3-prong plug. Okay, I'm going to fill it up here with some water so we could test out how well it heats up the water. I'm going to put the maximum amount here, 1.7 liters. That'll full there, pour some out. There we go, a little bit more. There you have it, 1.7 liters. Let's go heat this up. Okay, I'm going to turn this kettle on and see how long it takes to heat up 1.7 liters of tap water. And here we go. So the on-off lights up when it turns on. I'm going to time-lapse this video so we speed through the minutes much quicker. Here we go. Just about done here, starting to boil. There we go, finished at 7 minutes 26 seconds. So yeah, it's right at 196 at 7 minutes. That's not bad. Started at 212 and dropped down to 196 7 minutes later. We'll check it a little bit later. So 165 degrees, 44 minutes in. One thing to note on this kettle is it's a single wall design, so the walls of the kettle will get just as hot as the water. So this metal here would be 212 degrees when it's fully heated. It is hot. So definitely be careful around the children and others that are not aware that it was just heated.